that's abrante and the nyina tu a ete walk Facebook page this picture which we walk. Oh my god, there's none of pekra dear crani and now president Batameli no what is it who is this gentleman awadawa moja pram na nine ni pedua nyina say Chris, who is he?
Yes, so incident na anti was Tamale. It's your Sawla.
Okay.
Sawla Tuna Kalba district of the Savannah region. Now it involves a mobile money agent via armed robbers. Akoma. One shop. Almost to ebo nemiase. As I say, I say about Sawla government hospital or there here.
The Ben Assembly.
Yeah, it's the Saturday Anajo.
Wow. And who ana?
Oh, yeah, or Sawla Government Hospital to say I can say Dr. Petrus is responding well to treatment. Meho Tonaba.
I just say Nenino Efrana.
Yeah, due to the severe nature of it, maybe say on specialist attention into referring the number Tamale Teaching Hospital for further assessment.
I think for Yenia Chris and reporter on the war northern region or show na I semi jet mobile money or pretentina Akron saying.
Yes, according to eyewitnesses, and they came on a motorbike. On the motorbike and a big and I almost started say air fire gun no against him. Na emuna boba unfortunately for him no na that time even though Sawla a busy town because wa areas falling in our cars no far Sawla township. Unfortunately for him no because armed robbers allegedly almost amount for me to his rescue and so the robbers were
walk on black and white now very very terrible. I think for more Facebook page
almost to me the necessary coy as it stands now because sending home and turning we are unable to tell how much are almost to me at the coy but this is the second time within some 4 months Sawla Kronomo armed robbery attack on mobile money agent at take place. The last one was broad day robbery and no numerous around 3:30 and armed robbers Echimiko Jumano. This second time Amajo and 9:30 Mohammed and armed robbers no echo attack case mobile money agent. So Sawla then important mobile money agents they are worried and they are saying they need enough security protection.
Okay, Chris, you better watch your nano pay. But for I Akoma 87.9 FM. Within the Diana Bakufia Santa. Yes,
don't mean
my uncle back to a year Bosome Frehon, a branty and the